Introduction to Task Reminders in Microsoft Project.
Keeping projects on track means never missing a task deadline. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to automate task reminders in Microsoft Project. By setting up reminders, project managers and team members can stay informed and act on tasks promptly, reducing the risk of missed deadlines and improving project efficiency.
Preparing your project for reminders.
Before automating reminders, ensure your tasks are well organized. Assign start and finish dates, allocate resources, and make sure tasks are linked with dependencies where needed. This organization is vital for setting accurate reminders that reflect actual project deadlines.
Using task notes and custom fields.
Microsoft Project doesn't send reminders automatically by default, but you can prepare your tasks for automation. Add notes or custom fields to identify which tasks need reminders. For example, use a custom text field labeled Reminder and mark tasks that require notifications.
Automating reminders with Outlook integration.
To automate reminders, integrate Microsoft Project with Outlook. You can assign tasks to team members and send them as email assignments. When resources receive a task assignment in Outlook, they can set follow-up reminders or calendar events tied to the task's deadline, ensuring no key dates are forgotten.
Advanced automation with macros or Power Automate.
For advanced users, consider creating VBA macros or using Power Automate. These tools can trigger reminder emails or notifications based on task progress, deadlines, or key milestones. Set up rules to monitor project tasks and automatically inform stakeholders when deadlines approach.
Best practices for task reminders.
Automated reminders are most effective with clear processes. Regularly update your project plan, communicate with your team, and review completed and upcoming tasks. Combine automated reminders with good project management habits to make sure nothing falls through the cracks.